In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert USDT to EUR on Coinbase, step by step. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Coinbase. Make sure you're on the official website before proceeding. Look for the secure padlock in the address bar and verify the URL to avoid phishing sites. Once you're confident you're in the right place, sign into your account. Enter your credentials and complete any two-factor authentication prompts. Having your authentication app or SMS codes ready will make this smoother. After you're logged in, head to My Assets. This page lists everything you hold and is the quickest way to start a conversion. If you have a lot of assets, use the search bar at the top of the assets list to find what you need. For this walkthrough, open an asset page by clicking on Bitcoin. Don't worry, you're not buying Bitcoin. This simply takes you to a coin page where the convert tool is easy to access. On the coin page, locate the convert option. In the convert interface, you'll set the asset you want to convert from and the asset you want to receive. Use the search field to find Eurocoin by typing Eurocoin or EUROC. Eurocoin is a euro-pegged stablecoin which many regions can receive instantly. If your account supports direct EUR balance, you may also see EUR as an option. Availability can vary by location and verification level. For today's process, select Eurocoin as the destination. Enter the amount of USDT you want to convert. If you're moving a large amount, consider starting with a smaller test amount first. When you're ready, click Preview Convert. This shows you a live quote including the exchange rate, any fees, and the expected amount of EUROC you'll receive. Quotes are time-limited, so review promptly. You may see checkboxes to acknowledge disclosures such as volatility notices or conversion terms. Read them and check the boxes to confirm. Then click Continue to proceed. Take one more moment to confirm the details. The from asset is USDT, the to asset is Eurocoin, and the amounts look correct. When everything looks good, click Convert Now. The conversion will process, usually within seconds. After it completes, click Continue to return to your portfolio. Back on My Assets, you should now see your updated balances with Eurocoin reflecting the converted amount. If you plan to move funds to a bank in euros, note that sending EUROC is different from withdrawing EUR fiat. You need to convert EUROC to EUR and withdraw if available in your region. Always double check fees and limits before transferring, and that's it. You've successfully converted USDT to EUR exposure on Coinbase.